What's going on, fellas? A lot of people have been asking for a long time for me to build one of these or show them a way that it could be done. And this prototype is not done. I'm going to talk about it for a second and tell you what's wrong with it. For the most part, this coil is only 20 foot long. This is a 3/8 copper tube. And I believe this is a 1.5 millimeter hole. About twice the diameter of the hole that came with the pressure washer. I need to find a better nozzle. But for the most part, at a flow rate of 1.6 gallons per minute, the coil is not long enough to boil all the water. The discharge temperature of the water is 100 degrees, which cuts grime a lot better than cold water, but it's just not steam yet. So what we're going to do today is add a triac circuit into this Stanley pressure washer, and we're going to reduce the flow rate. Now, the final product is going to have a overpressure bypass valve, which right here there will be a needle valve with a small water line that runs all the way back to the input of the intake, or it's just going to spray out on the ground. I don't know yet. I might just make it spray out towards the work, make the line head this direction and spray out, because it's really just water. It's not like it's expensive or nothing. And let's see how this thing works with reduced flow. I want to produce some good steam. We are definitely overpressuring all this stuff. Do not try this. I'm doing it for you. This coil is one of the heavier L types, I believe, but it's still probably not suitable. You need some thick stainless steel for this. This is just a prototype to see how long the coil is. I had to find out how long of a coil we need. This here is just a blowtorch that you can buy from Menards for 50 bucks. This kind's kind of neat. It has a pilot valve and a burn valve, so when you pull this, you get a huge flame. So let's give this a shot. Okay. I'm going to let some soot build up in here a second on my coil. Okay. I hope you can see this. Okay, one of the problems associated with propane torches is that in the wintertime, they aren't able to produce the pressure you need to get their output, or their rated output. This torch is not working well. I can tell just because I've used them a lot on job sites. It's not reaching full capacity. Our tank is cold. Something happened there. That's about all the water it can boil right there. So, as I said, this does need a pressure bypass valve to give you the steam mode. But on full blast, which I will turn it on now, you do get 100-degree water. I have to relight my pilot. Yeah, my tank's freezing up. My propane tank.